Simplify using properties of rational exponents. Let's go ahead and work out this problem very carefully. Solution. There's a couple ways to do this problem. So one way to do it is to actually multiply these x's. If you do that though, you do have to add the exponents, and so we would have to add 2/3 and 1/2. Another way to do it would be to first raise both pieces to the 6th power. That might make it a little bit easier because it'll get rid of the fractions. So let's take that approach. So recall that if you have like a, b to the 6th power, you can write that as a to the 6, b to the 6. That's what we're going to do here first. So we'll have x to the 2/3 to the 6. Just raise each one to the 6th power. And then x to the 1/2 to the 6th. All right, the next rule says that whenever you have something to a power, you basically multiply. So now we're just going to multiply the 6 times the 2/3. So it'll be x to the 2/3 times 6, and then x to the 1/2 times 6. Let's see here. So 3 goes into 6 twice. So 2 times 2 is 4. So we get x to the 4. And then 2 goes into 6 3 times. So we get x to the 3. And now these are the same. So we can add them. 4 plus 3 would be equal to 7. So we get x to the 7. And that would be the final answer. And the reason I did it this way is because I wanted to avoid adding the fractions. I mean, initially you can just add the 2/3 and the 1/2 and raise it to the 6th power. I just chose this route. What's a better route? I don't know. I guess the better route is the route that's easier for you. I hope this video has been helpful. Good luck.